and it makes me so happy. And you see it on the buses, and you see it on trains, and you see it everywhere now. A bit of Irish, and the fact that people now speak Irish like some people speak some other languages. I remember once going to Wales, and I got off the train, and this very Indian looking man was speaking Welsh quite normally. And I thought, isn't that wonderful? If we do that at home, wouldn't it be wonderful?
Yeah, I was the best instance of it I've had recently is listening to Radio Gaeltachta, and there was a young lad there who had been forced to move, obviously leave Ukraine, and he is living in Cork, possibly in Ballynairterig, and he was speaking the most beautiful West Kerry Irish. I mean, and this Ukrainian lad who would just come here as a kid, forced out of his own country because of the war there, and for him speaking Irish as the language of his local community was the most natural thing in the world, and it was just a beautiful thing to listen to.
Yeah, it is. You feel so happy about that,
Yeah.